Friends, today we're diving into a revolution in artificial intelligence. We're used to thinking of AI as the domain of tech giants, massive, complex, and out of reach. But what if a tiny, elegant engine could challenge that status quo? Meet Nano VLLM, a high-performance AI engine from DeepSeek, written in just 1,200 lines of Python. That's less code than many simple apps. So compact you could read it in an afternoon. This isn't just about size, it's about making powerful AI accessible to everyone. Nano VLM proves that true innovation can come from simplicity and openness. As AI becomes more central to our lives, the need for transparency and accessibility grows. Nano VLM tears down the barriers, making advanced AI understandable and usable by all. It's a statement: the future of technology should be open and in the hands of many. Today we'll explore what Nano VLM is, how it works, and why it matters. Whether you're a student, a startup founder, or just curious, this story is for you. This is about democratizing intelligence and empowering creators everywhere. Let's begin. So, what is Nano VLM? Let's break it down. Think of a large language model as a powerful brain, and Nano VLM as the engine that runs it. Traditional engines are huge and complex. Nano VLM is the opposite: small, efficient, and open source. At just 1,200 lines of code, it's a fraction of the size of other frameworks. Why does this matter? Because less code means more transparency and easier learning. Anyone can read, understand, and modify it. Nano VLLM is designed for high-performance offline batch processing, handling many prompts at once, fast. It strips away unnecessary features, focusing only on what's essential. This specialization is its superpower. It's a tool built for speed, simplicity, and accessibility. The code is open for all: students, developers, and researchers alike. It's a lesson in engineering. Focus on the essential, and you can achieve greatness. Nano VLLM is proof that powerful AI doesn't have to be complicated. What makes Nano VLLM so remarkable? 4 pillars define its power. First, its tiny size, just 1,200 lines, means it's easy to download, integrate, and understand. Second, it's optimized for blazing fast offline batch inference. Give it 1,000 prompts, and it processes them all at once, like an AI assembly line. Third, it's incredibly memory efficient, letting you run big models on modest hardware. No need for expensive GPUs. Nano VLLM brings AI to more people. Fourth, its code is clear and educational. Students and developers can learn from real-world implementations of advanced techniques. It demystifies AI, turning a black box into a transparent, teachable tool. For the community, it's a foundation to build on and innovate. Nano VLLM isn't just a tool, it's a catalyst for learning and progress. It empowers anyone to experiment, improve, and contribute. In a world of complexity, it's a breath of fresh air. Simplicity, speed, efficiency, and clarity, these are its strengths. That's why Nano VLLM stands out. Let's peek under the hood of Nano VLLM. Its magic comes from minimalism, doing one thing exceptionally well: batch text processing. Every line of code serves a purpose, contributing to speed and efficiency. No unnecessary layers, no wasted effort. The design is streamlined, focused, and direct. 4 key techniques power this engine: prefix caching, tensor parallelism, CUDA graphs, and smart memory management. Each is powerful alone, but together they create something special. It's like a symphony, simple parts working in harmony. Understanding these will show you how Nano VLLM achieves so much with so little. We'll break down the first 2 now: prefix caching and tensor parallelism. Get ready to see how elegant engineering can change the game. Let's dive in. The first secret to Nano VLLM's speed is prefix caching. When multiple prompts share the same beginning, the engine processes that part once, then reuses it, saving huge amounts of time. It's like reading the first chapter of a book once, not every time you start a new story. The second technique is tensor parallelism. Large models are split across multiple GPUs, each handling a piece of the work. This teamwork lets you run bigger models faster, even on limited hardware. Nano VLLM implements both techniques cleanly and efficiently. The result? Massive speed-ups and the ability to scale with your hardware. Prefix caching and tensor parallelism attack inefficiency from 2 angles. They're the dynamic duo behind Nano VLLM's performance. Simple ideas, brilliantly executed. That's the heart of this tiny engine. Next, let's look at the final performance boosters. Two more ingredients complete Nano VLLM's recipe: CUDA graphs and smart memory management. CUDA graphs let the CPU send a whole sequence of instructions to the GPU at once, reducing communication delays. The GPU can then execute tasks faster, without waiting for step-by-step directions. This means less overhead and more speed. The other key is paged attention, a smarter way to manage memory. Instead of allocating one big block, memory is divided into flexible pages, reducing waste and fragmentation. This allows you to run larger models on less powerful hardware. Paged attention can cut memory waste by up to 90%. Together, these techniques squeeze every drop of performance from your system. Nano VLLM becomes a master of both speed and efficiency. It's not just fast, it's resourceful. That's what sets it apart. Now let's see how it performs in the real world. How does Nano VLLM stack up against the big players? The full VLLM framework is versatile and feature-rich, perfect for live online services. Nano VLLM is a specialist, built for maximum throughput in offline batch processing. In this arena, it matches or even outperforms its larger sibling, using less memory and far less code. Imagine a startup needing to analyze 100,000 customer reviews. With Nano VLLM, they can process everything quickly, on affordable hardware and with minimal setup. For real-time chatbots, the full VLLM is better suited. The lesson? Use the right tool for the job. Nano VLLM isn't a replacement for everything. It's a powerful new option. It's lean, efficient, and perfect for batch tasks. It expands the AI toolkit for everyone. Specialization leads to peak performance. Who benefits from Nano VLLM? Anyone who's been on the outside looking in. For students and hobbyists, it's a gateway. Finally, powerful AI is accessible and understandable. You can run it on a gaming laptop, read every line, and learn how state-of-the-art inference works. It's an educational goldmine, inspiring the next generation of innovators. For startups and small businesses, it's a game changer. No more months spent setting up complex systems or breaking the bank on cloud costs. Nano VLLM is lightweight, easy to deploy, and efficient. It lowers the barrier to entry for AI-powered products. Researchers and open-source contributors can experiment, modify, and build on its foundation. It fosters collaboration and shared progress. Nano VLLM is for the curious, the ambitious, and the collaborative. It's a tool for anyone who believes AI should be for everyone. The future of AI is open. What does Nano VLLM mean for the future? It's a symbol of the movement to democratize AI, making it small, simple, and open to all. This trend sparks innovation everywhere, not just in big labs. The next breakthrough could come from a student, a hobbyist, or a small startup. Open-source tools like Nano VLLM plant seeds for the future. The development of AI is at a crossroads, closed and proprietary, or open and collaborative. Nano VLLM lights the path to a future where technology serves everyone. This isn't just about code. It's about the world we want to build. The most powerful tools should be in the hands of the many. If you're a developer, download Nano VLLM, read the code, and try it out. If not, share this story and discuss the importance of open AI. The future is something we build together. One line of code, one idea at a time. The future is small, open, and bright. Let's build it together.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.